sector, so it exports what our work in agriculture, it's not necessarily just sweatshop labor. So we can by 2030. Actually, it's more. You're there. And we the right for that 5 million cattle. I think South Africa has one. What our work do not actually know. Jobs. Look at our the sector we call it. There are a lot more people out there in the non-payroll workforce than there are in the payroll workforce. So it's really, I would call that the holy grail of mobilizing savings in this country. But it is not so much a product issue, but how to tailor the distribution mechanisms to work for non-payroll people.
The pension fund sector is obviously always a growth sector. Africa, and Kenya is no exception, has a very large young working population, which means encouraging pension savings is a key part of driving our business growth.
The amount of salaried formal payroll employees have really declined, and we are a large SME-driven economy. And so we have to give them ways to save for their retirement and for other investment needs they might have down the line.